Okay, in this recording I'm finishing up the syllabus where I post an etiquette. This is important to me as you're emailing to me. Read through it thoroughly, and in the subject line, for example, put down what course you're in and what your question is. Address me properly, then put your message in there, and then you sign off with your full name, because I need to know who you are. If you're referring to something that I had mentioned earlier, attach that, what you're referring to it, or have it further down in the email. Read through it, this one here, carefully, because I pay attention to it. Okay, the other document, the one that you actually have to hand in, is this course right for me? So don't ask me for pointers to begin with, but go ahead, get started on it. And it's a long document, 4 pages that you have to fill in, but it's pretty much a thing of, do you know the syllabus? So from what you just read through the syllabus, well, there are 10 weeks and 2 recitation hours, so which means I have a total of 20 recitation hours. What is the instructor's UA email address? When you read through the syllabus, you figure out this is what it is. Respectively, instead of typing, you just copy it. Which fundamental concepts will be covered? Well, again, you look at the syllabus and you copy and paste. Mechanics and so on. Heat. What score do you have to get an A? You look at it, 92%. Will you be required to participate in the eLive recitations? Yeah, I will ask you. How many proctored exams do you have to take? Well, it says on there 7 and another final exam, so perhaps 7 plus 1. So read through this carefully here and copy and paste, and it's actually relatively quick because you're supposed to be familiar with the syllabus already to fill this one in. This one is important. What is your name and mailing address? Because I need to send you the lab package. Where do you order the textbook? So I go over all these questions here in order to make sure that you're prepared for the course, so that I don't get in an email, Mr. V, where do I order the textbook? No, you're supposed to know that at this point by having read through the syllabus and having filled out this document. How many units will be covered? Well, you look it up on Blackboard and on the syllabus. How do you sign off in your email? Well, that's what I just mentioned in the netiquette with your full name. You have signed up for the proctor, so you would put a true there. What is meant by the 3-way communication? Well, that's between you and the UAA proctor center, and then where you're actually getting proctored. And I'm excluded. And then this one here covers on Blackboard, and I will do that in the next recording, and you have to be familiar with how Blackboard is set up. And then I have a few questions over here prepared for this course. KPC is offering this quiz. So again, you just have to go in there, hit yes, 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 I'm prepared for this, and copy down the questions into the document that I ask you to fill out and send to me. So this is pretty much a copy and paste document that you have to send out to me before you can start the course, so that I ensure that you're completely familiar with the requirements in this course. Oh, here is an important one that I wanted to mention. This online course strives to be of equal quality to face-to-face class. The same holds for quantity. Would you agree that you may have to expect to work on this class and its assignments for up to 10 hours per week in a regular semester, or up to 15 hours per week in a condensed summer semester? And you would have to answer, well, true. Or if you answer false, then you may want to consider that, well, this class needs to have the same quantity and quality as a face-to-face class, and in such a class you are expected to work up to 10 hours per week in a regular semester or 15 hours per week in a condensed summer semester, especially given that there are labs. So that's what this document is about, and in the next recording I will go over how Blackboard is structured, and that kind of starts here in this document, and whatever you see in there and whatever you see yourself on Blackboard, that is covered by these questions.